Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying essentials and capturing the first clues. Check cables and router LEDs. If using Wi-Fi, note the SSID and whether other devices connect. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet and view status. Write down any error codes or messages. Next, run the built-in network troubleshooter from that page. It checks adapters and DNS quickly. Once done, disable and re-enable the affected adapter to force Windows to reinitialize the hardware and clear transient errors. Now perform deeper repairs that resolve most stubborn issues. Open Elevated PowerShell and release, then renew your IP, reset TCP/IP stacks, and flush DNS so stale records are removed. Change IP4 DNS to a reliable public server to rule out ISP resolution problems. In Device Manager, update or roll back the network driver and uninstall any adapter with persistent faults so Windows reinstalls it. If software conflicts persist, boot safe mode with networking to isolate Finish by restarting the network chain, power cycle modem and router, then reboot your PC so settings apply cleanly. Verify IP address, gateway, and internet access in Settings Network. If problems remain, run ping to your gateway, tracert to a public host, and ENS lookup to test DNS responses. These tell you where traffic stops. Make sure to document errors and times. If nothing works, perform a system restore to a known good point, or contact your ISP with the diagnostics you collected for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.